Yo, what is good, guys? This is Warren from the TheWBros. Just want to show you guys this brand new custom piece before it ships out. It's for our client, ViktorTV. You guys may recognize him. Really dope YouTuber, super funny. You should go check him out. You know, we had a really fun time designing this piece for him. We added our own little twist to it. Speaking of twist, we added a little twist rope braided design right there at the skinny side of the V. I don't know if you guys can see, but we had his name engraved on the bottom of the V. The highest quality premium A-grade silver on the market. You know, the beauty of customized jewelry is that you get the opportunity to wear something that represents you. You get the opportunity to wear something that makes you stand out from everyone else. You get to be unique and one of a kind. And when you have something that no one else has, ultimately it brings confidence. That's why we do what we do. And if you want something like this to make you look original and one of a kind, you can DM us on Instagram. You can visit our website at TheWBros.com and get started.
Picture me rolling, tip of my chauffeur. Niggas look jealous, you gotta control it. Reaching my quota, mixing my soda. Feeling connected to God, trying to get closer. Stepping on roaches, me and my loasters. Just trying to get over, try not to get swallowed by locusts. Trying to stay focused, kinda like Moses. Like somebody chose us, sweat on my shoulders.